Hey everyone, this video I am going to show you enable or disable developer mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this step by step guide easily, turn on or off developer option. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone, go to settings. In the settings menu, scroll all the way to very bottom, find the about phone option, click on it. After that, scroll down again, go to software information. Here you can see various options, but located the build number option, simply tap on repeatedly 7 or 8 times, then verify to enter your phone screen password. After you verify, you can see the pop-up message developer mode has been turned on. Now back to the main settings page, scroll down again, you can find the developer option name, simply tap on it and easily you can adjust or customize this setting if you like. However, keep in mind if you decide to disable the developer mode again your phone, simply tap on the main toggle switch at the very top, then hit the back button and you have successfully disabled the developer mode your device. Thanks for watching guys.